Transforming Your Finances, Making Money Online 101 with Crystal Lynn. Imagine the possibilities of transforming the financial future. Are you ready to step toward making a vision a reality? Stay tuned to learn how digital marketing can help you earn passive income. Build a lasting legacy. Hi, Crystal Lynn. Today I will share how you can make money in digital marketing through passive pay. You're in the right place if you are a divorced woman looking to rebuild your financial future. Nowadays, it seems like everyone is talking about making money online. Honestly, I had no idea where to begin. I felt completely lost, but through God's grace, I discovered the Legacy Builder program. I needed a miracle, and God always provides. And yes, financial is a struggle. Yes, it is what it is. I was in desperate need of a financial security. My finances were a mess after a divorce. And while helping raise my grandchildren, I worked constantly with no time for myself or enjoying life. And retirement seemed like an impossible dream. Clarifying something, misconceptions. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme or a magic product that will make you an expert overnight. Learning how to make money online requires dedication and determination, but with the right mindset and support, it will be possible. And I know if they can do this, I can too. I'm a teacher, and I'm excited to announce that I will be accepting clients for my divorce recovery coaching starting September the 23rd. My mission is to help others heal and rebuild their lives. These divorced women, number one problem after divorce is finances and retirement. And misconceptions. My passion is in helping others achieve success, and I am committed to sharing my journey with you as I learn to grow through an amazing process. I won't use sales pitches. I'm no good at it. You've seen I'm no good at it. I will share my experiences and insights. Making money online for beginners. Let's dive into the game changer I found wanting to make money without having to work all the time. And can I take my job wherever I go? Through my research, I found that digital marketing was one way to go. I needed help and did not have years and years to reach my goals. Making Money Online 101 class begins. The tech language is initially confusing. So let's start the basic class. Number 1, with passive pay and how can I help you? Tune in at 5 and we will start our journey of financial freedom together. Transforming Finances, Making Money Online 101 with Crystal Lynn. Follow us for more tips and strategies to build financial legacy. See you at 5.